If you're having trouble cleaning the hard to reach areas on your Tesla and are looking for a minimalist, powerful vacuum cleaner, I might just have a solution for you. What is going on, everyone? Today we have this very high-tech vacuum cleaner from Bezos, and this vacuum cleaner has a really high review. It has HEPA filter, it also has a steel filter, it has suction as well as the blower functionality. So it offers a lot of very high-tech packages in a very compact shape. So I wanted to check this out for you all today and share my honest opinion after using the product. Will it hold up? Will it reach those difficult areas that it says it would? So let's find out today together. If you're new to the channel and would like to see more Tesla videos like this in the future, please consider being a channel subscriber. Let's get started. So this is what the box looks like. It has a very minimalist design. Looks like there are two smaller boxes inside of this big box here. And of course this is the main vacuum. So let's open this one. Yeah, just a very simple cylindrical shaped, kind of looks like a coffee thermos. And this is a very compact vacuum. Here of course is the suction side, and then this is going to be the blower side that we're going to check out here in just a second. So the other box had a user manual, a warranty card, some stickers, and here is the bag that we will be storing all of this stuff in, including all of these adapters. This is the one that kind of goes on this blower side so that it can blow the dust out instead of using this suction side. So here is that USB-C charging. It offers fast QC charging, and here is the power button. There are two power levels on this vacuum, so if you press this power button once, the first stage activates, and then if you press it again, the second stage activates here. If you press and hold on this power button, the light turns on here. So this should be helping you clean and reach those hard to reach areas and see at night. So let's actually check it out during nighttime to see how well this light works. Let's start with the suction test. As you can see, I have some soil and even rocks here. The vacuum cleaner is picking up quite well. It requires a lot of power to be able to pick up that much dirt in one round, especially for the size of the vacuum cleaner. Here is another suction test on the seat. It is doing really great job picking up all the dirt. Here is another suction test on that difficult spot between the seat and the door sill. I have never been able to get in this spot, so this is all really great. Here's that difficult location on the seat rail. You can also use the brush to scrape off some of the dust and pick it up using the suction. Let's test the blower exhaust. As I said earlier, you can just plug this adapter towards the exhaust side and simply turn the vacuum cleaner on. As you can see, this is quite strong. Let's use the exhaust blower feature on the difficult spot here. And as you can see, it did really well. You can really push those dirts on one side and accumulate, and then use the suction for easier cleaning. Finally, let's test the light feature. It's quite dark here, and as you can see, the light is very helpful to see on those seats. When you're done, you can just twist the top and pull the filter bay out. Pinch on the filter and remove the filter assembly. It picked up quite a bit and filtered the stuff out. This is gross, but I just wanted to show you how good this product is. You can just dump the dirt and check your filters. Just twist the steel filter and pull it out. The HEPA filter did a really good job of filtering the small particulates that pass through the steel mesh. You can see a lot of dirt on these gaps. You can then just clean the filter, let them dry, and store away the vacuum cleaner. This portable vacuum cleaner fits on your cup holder, the side door panel, or even in your glove box. So as you saw, I put this vacuum through some testing, and this is what I think about this product. Let's first talk about all the likes of this device though, and why it is a really great product. First of all, I love the suction on this thing. It is very strong. I believe they say it was 15 kilopascal. So very strong force on the suction side, as well as on the blower side. It helps you push big chunk of dirt and rocks too, those little rocks that end up in your floor, in your car. This helps you push that. It helps you get to those difficult areas that are hard, especially between the seat and the door sill, that gap, it is really, really hard to get. And this adapter that they send, where it is, you can just push this and then use this inner part to get to different area. This is definitely really, really helpful to get your car clean and reach those hard to reach areas under the seat, between the seat and the central console. So a lot of use cases for that, and kudos to the company for making such a powerful vacuum that lets you clean all of those areas. I like the filter, the HEPA filter, as well as the still mess filter. As you saw, it filtered out a lot of particulates, and we were able to just dump all of that after we used by removing this top portion and then just wash the filter. So I like the reusability of the filter. I don't have to keep replacing the filter. I can actually wash both of those filters and keep reusing it. You can just pop this on your frunk. You can put this on the hidden well in the back of your trunk. You can put this on your cup holder, on the side door. Anywhere you can think of, you can just leave this and it will stay there. So this does a really good job at allowing you to use a vacuum cleaner whenever you want. I love that it doesn't have cord, so I don't have to figure out, remove that central console every single time to plug in that 12-volt outlet, which is annoying. So this is really, really good that it allows you to not have to deal any of that. Just bring this out, press the power button, start using it. The light in this thing is super helpful, so it allows you to see in the dark and just use this vacuum. Even in the pitch black dark, you can use this vacuum to see things and vacuum. Because oftentimes when I'm in my garage, it's dark there. Even with that light in the garage, I can't see under the seat and whatnot. So this vacuum actually does a really good job. But this does bring me to a couple of my dislikes. The light design, even though it is great and you can see everything, it actually blocks the very front of it. So it becomes kind of a counterintuitive at that point that there's this very dark portion right here in the front. So a different light choice design would have been probably raise this a little bit and project it towards the front, or have some light still on the front and the side. So just a design choice change would have fixed that and make it better. Another one of my dislike of this device is that this blower connection that they send here, this is non-threaded. So it goes in easy, and it is supposed to be very, very easy for you to just pop this out, put this in, use the blower function. However, because it is a non-threaded solution, it has a tendency to kind of fall out if it comes into contact with other objects or under certain situation. Just to be clear though, it doesn't always fall out. For example, I'm using the exhaust on this heavy remote controller and it's pushing the controller, but the adapter is still intact. So I think it falls out easier if it touches any surfaces like a tight area on that car. So I would still prefer a grooved thread. Overall, I think this is a pretty great vacuum. It helps you reach those difficult areas. It cleans really well, super powerful. Just a couple of those minor things that I do not like about this vacuum, but I think I'm gonna be using this a lot. This is a great product for any spills that you have to clean up things. Even using it inside the house, I could use it for my desk. You can even clean up dust from your keyboard. So there's a lot of use cases for this vacuum cleaner, but especially for your car. I'm really interested in knowing, what do you think about this vacuum cleaner? Do you already have it? I know this company has been around for a while, so a lot of you might already have it. So let me know your feedback on how you're liking it if you already have it. And if you don't, what do you think about it based on my review? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for your continued support to the channel. We have so many Tesla accessories coming here very soon, so stay tuned for all of those videos. Namaste.